I am from Gurgaon. I am pursuing my BTech from KR Mangalam University, and I am a student of Computer Science branch. I heard from my friend that there is a coaching institute called APTRON, which is located in Gurgaon. So she recommended me to join the same institute, and then I decided to come for a demo class here, and then I finally decided to join APTRON. Here, Mangal Kakkar sir is teaching me Hadoop and Python. He's a very brilliant teacher and he's very supportive. Environment in the APTRON is very nice. We are provided lab facilities, and I will also suggest my friends to join APTRON. Thank you.